There has never been a proper recall for oil leaks in the Subaru Outback, and before you pay for inspections, you may want to have a very careful look at the engine itself and identify the place where it actually leaks, because there were several common issues and also some TSBs issued by Subaru, but none of them turned out to be a recall with free repairs or a warranty extension. So if your car is out of the standard powertrain warranty of 5 years or 60,000 miles, there is no chance Subaru is going to cover the repairs. Anyway, as you may know, Subaru uses boxer engines, which means almost any serious repairs are possible only after the engine is taken out of the engine compartment, which seriously increases the labor costs. So before you pay for anything, make sure that the leak is not concentrated around the oil drain plug. This is quite common issue that will cost you peanuts to repair. All engines in the Outback have a one-time use washer that comes with the drain plug, but a lot of mechanics just reuse the old washer, and this leads to small leaks from the drain plug. You will just need to install the new washer and also add any oil that you will lose while doing this. When it comes to the TSBs, I would pay attention to two of them. First of all is the TSB number 02-19022 for the 2020 to 2022 model years Outback. It covers the small oil leak around the oil level switch. Actually, it's not a leak, but a normal condition for this switch because it's made of plastic and it changes its shape a bit when it's getting hot and then cold, so a small amount of oil seeps through the O-ring, and it's a normal scenario. But if the leak is extensive, the switch may be cracked and will require replacement. Also, there is the TSB number 1610316R for the 2010 to 2019 model year Subaru Outback. It covers the transmission fluid leak that may be mistaken for the engine oil leak. If you see oil accumulating in the place where the transmission is attached to the engine, it's worth reading this TSB. The problem is with the fluid pump inside the transmission, and the repair is not easy or cheap, unfortunately. Again, these are not recalls, they are just TSBs, and they are aimed to give Subaru technicians guidelines for inspections and repairs. But reading them may help you understand what is happening with your vehicle or guide your independent mechanic in the right direction. There is still no chance that Subaru will pay for repairs unless the car is still covered by the powertrain warranty.